If you're tired of flushing toilet paper down the drain, not to mention money, a bidet attachment can be a revelation. Aside from being a money saver, it will also make you feel shower fresh after every bathroom trip, all without going through a full renovation like you might need for a full bidet. There are many features to consider when it comes to bidet attachments, says Tom DiCiola, owner of Restore Plumbing and Drain Incorporated. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 bidet attachments on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Tushy Classic 3.0 Bidet Toilet Seat Attachment. Part of what makes this pick by Tushy one of the best bidet attachments is that there's no learning curve with it, even if you're a bidet beginner. We found the controls to be very intuitive. There's a knob for adjusting the water pressure and a toggle that redirects the angle of the spray. We found the Tushy Classic 3.0 Bidet Toilet Seat Attachment to be more effective than toilet paper alone. However, it was easier to adjust our own position on the seat rather than the angle of the spray. The manufacturer claims you can set the Tushy up in under 8 minutes, but note that this does not include taking off your current toilet seat. You'll need a wrench to install it, and we found the bidet sockets to be a bit challenging. There's no water heater attachment for the Tushy, so if you're a newbie, this might come as a surprise. Number 2. American Standard Aqua Wash Non-Electric Bidet. The beauty of this American Standard bidet attachment is that you don't have to worry about hooking it up to an outlet to use it, though you still have access to important features like an adjustable sprayer. We found it to be easy and quick to install, thanks in part to a stencil that was very helpful in determining where to place the plate on the elongated toilet. Once that was in place, the seat slid in easily. The simplicity of this bidet is what won us over. It fits in seamlessly with the toilet lid, which closes slowly without slamming. We found it to be intuitive to use. It's also easy to clean, thanks to a seat that removes easily as well as removable nozzle tips. Product details, dimensions, 19.69 by 14.06 by 0.99 inches, material, polypropylene plastic, professional installation, no, cleaning modes, adjustable spray volume and self-cleaning dual nozzles. Number 3. Toto Electronic Bidet Toilet Seat. An ice-cold toilet seat is never pleasant, especially in the middle of the night. The Toto takes care of that with its heated seat feature. You will have to plug it in to take advantage of a warm tush, though, so you might need to purchase an extension cord if you do not have the right setup in your bathroom. Installation took about an hour and you will need a Phillips screwdriver and a drill to complete the task. Though it was securely on, we noticed that the seats didn't line up completely, so this might annoy some more fastidious folks. The Toto's got plenty of features and options, including heat settings for the seat and water, and a dryer. You can also adjust the placement of the wand and the water pressure. However, we found it to be an easy to use and effective option overall. Number 4. Brondell Clean Spa Luxury Handheld Bidet. The Brondell Clean Spa is a simple, handheld sprayer that's intuitive to use, so it's one of the best bidet attachments to consider if you're new to using them. A spring-loaded lever makes it easy to adjust the pressure of the spray, push harder for more intensity or ease up for a less powerful spray. It took us around 35 minutes to install the bidet on our own because of the particular toilet setup we were using, plus parts of the instructions were a bit unclear. However, the troubleshooting tips were helpful in getting everything up and running. We thought this would be a gentle yet effective option for bathroom trips during the postpartum period and that it could also be good for cleaning off cloth diapers. We felt very clean after using it and only needed a bit of toilet paper to dry off. Number 5. Amigo Element Bidet Attachment. Some say that once you use a bidet, you'll never want to go back to using regular toilet paper. We confirmed this is indeed true with the Amigo Element Plus bidet attachment. During testing, we felt the Amigo Plus offered a fresh out of the shower feel. The controls on the Amigo are simple as there's one knob to control the heat and one for the spray, which alters between a powerful spray and a gentler one. There are 2 spray heads for the front and the back, and we appreciated not having to make any awkward adjustments in the seat to get clean. The spray heads have covers, which makes cleanup easier, too. We did have some help during setup, but it took just 10 minutes to install even without looking at the instructions. It's worth noting that to use the heat function on the Amigo, you have to attach one of the nozzles to a sink pipe. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.